What's up everyone? This is our part 3 of our vlog.
Yes, welcome back everyone. So our topic for today we tackle is shot noise. So what is shot noise?
Shot noise is also called white noise, in that it contains all frequencies and amplitudes over a very wide range. The amount of shot noise is directly proportional to the amount of DC bias flowing in a device.
Yes, so the RMS noise current in the device or I or LN is calculated with the formula of Ln equals to square root of 2Q. Q is charge on an electron and L is a direct current or amperes and B is a bandwidth or hertz. So let's move on to our example. And this is our example, and based on in our handouts, so the given is assume a DC bias of 0.1 mA and a bandwidth of 12.5 kilohertz. Calculate for the noise current. So the given are in here, then Miguel will write the solution. So the solution were organized and calculated. So the answer of our solution is 0.632 NA or shot noise. Thank you for watching everyone.